Hey guys, you just bought yourself a beautiful Klingon brush. This is the recommended way to take care of it. After you're done painting, go ahead and take it to your sink. You want to rinse it till the water runs clear. I always just kind of put mine up, let the water run into there, and just keep rinsing until it's running clear. Now I'm just going to put some water in an empty jar and go ahead and put my Klingon in there. Ideally, you want to use a clamp or something so that your bristles aren't sitting at the bottom of the jar. Klingons like to be stored wet, so you can leave your Klingon in this jar as long as you want. I just keep going by. If I see the water's cloudy, like it is right there, I'll go ahead and just dump that water and put it back in there. It's a really good way to keep your bristles nice and soft and pliable. And like I said, Klingons do prefer to be stored wet. If you're not going to use it again for a long time and you want to, lay it out, let it dry, that's fine too. Just ideally wet it again before you use it. Klingons are a wonderful brush. You made a great investment. Taking care of this brush, you will have it for years and years to come. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.